What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, sorry if it was a little dark there for the beginning, but I haven't uploaded in a while. As you can tell, all my Honda parts are still chilling because I've still, like 4 or 5, maybe 6 months later, have yet to get my cylinder head back for the freaking EM1 so I can put it together. So, I got camshafts, new cam gears, the turbo, the manifold, tile wastegate, downpipe, all the cylinder head parts. Just chilling. It sucks. And unfortunately, I forgot to record you guys, but I finally took the WRX to Tail of the Dragon. And, yeah. So I don't know. I haven't uploaded in a while, so I just got thinking, as you can tell by the title, I want to hook the GoPro up, just get the Subaru out, have the day off, and just have some fun. Turn the radio down here, guys, and car's a little bit warmed up, not completely. So just gonna take it easy for a bit, and I don't know, just go for a little cruise. Good fall weather. I got a pretty good little road. Crack the window just a tad so you guys can get some sounds. Brakes a little bit, doing some temp in them here. Oh, I still got a trunk full of stuff. Go easy through here. Got a relative that lives right on this corner, so have been a little random, but just wanted to do that little driving video, and you guys could hear like the sound since the coder intake was put on there, the Cobb SF intake. Just get some content out there. Like I said, I got parts coming. Just ending the day with some food. And so if you made it to the end, like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever. And I'm out.